School teaches you math, history, and science. But when it comes to money, the one thing you use every single day of your life, school stays silent. Today, I'm breaking down 5 things school never teaches you about money, but you must know if you want to build wealth. Welcome back to Dollar Decision, where we talk about money hacks, smart finance, and building wealth. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button, because the money lessons you'll hear here are the ones you wish you learned years ago. Lesson 1, How Money Really Works. School teaches you how to earn money through a job. What they don't teach you is that money is a tool. The rich don't trade time for money, they make money work for them. They invest, they build assets, and they use leverage. Understanding how money flows, grows, and compounds is the first step to escaping the paycheck-to-paycheck trap. Lesson 2, The Power of Investing Early. You can go through 12 years of school without anyone showing you how compound interest works in your favor. If you invest $200 a month at age 20, you'll have way more than someone who starts at 30, even if they put in more money later. School never explains how time is the most powerful tool in investing. Lesson 3, Debt is a double-edged sword. Most people only hear, stay out of debt. But there are 2 types of debt, bad debt and good debt. Bad debt keeps you poor, like credit card bills for things you don't need. Good debt, like a business loan or real estate investment, can help you grow wealth. School doesn't teach this difference, which is why so many young people end up drowning in the wrong kind of debt. Lesson 4, How to Build Multiple Streams of Income. Schools prepare you for one job, one paycheck. But one paycheck is risky. If you lose it, you're broke. The wealthy build multiple streams of income, side hustles, investments, online businesses, and passive income. If you want financial freedom, you can't depend on one source. Lesson 5, Financial freedom is a choice. Schools never talk about financial freedom. They push you toward working for 40 years, then retiring at 65. But financial freedom is not about waiting. It's about creating systems, habits, and assets that give you control over your time and money much earlier in life. So, those are the 5 money lessons school never teaches you. Understand how money works, invest early, know the difference between good and bad debt, build multiple income streams, and focus on financial freedom instead of waiting for retirement. If you found value in this video, hit the like button, subscribe to Dollar Decision, and drop a comment with which money lesson you wish you learned earlier. Let's take control of money instead of letting money control us.